So my name's Tony Smith, and this is my garden. So who comes gardening on a day like this? The wettest day we've had this year. What a blooming thing. I was all planned today, so I'm doing it anyways. Come on, let's get in there and get this door shut. This is possibly one of, like I say, the wettest days, and no one is up today. Man, this year's been a right bloody bugger. You know what it is? I'm dressed like, you know, them people you see of a certain age, a certain generation, where they go out around the town in t-shirts. I'm the equivalent gardener of that. Man, sure, these are actually pyjamas. Oh, man. What a... Oh, what... Now I've come up here, I don't know. Well, I had things planned outside and everything, but I'm thinking, if you can hear us over this rain, this weather isn't going to kind of change. We've got some kind of hideous weather coming, to be honest. And I'm going to pick some veg, but I'm going to decide now, I think, these peppers aren't going to ripen anytime quick. I've got quite a few. I'm going to pick a lot of the green ones. Everything still looks good in here, but today is the first day where it feels damp, and like I say, I've got my onions kind of drying there. I want to get them back home, I think, as well, get them sorted. Got some lovely banana shallots here, and bring them there as well. But I also, can you hear it? What am I doing up here? Oh, I'll show you as well. I'm going to try and grow this over the winter, this kind of weather. They've come up anyway, some of me beans. But we'll see. I've had to move me carrots as well. I think it's a mouse. And I wanted to just show you this while we're here, while I'm kind of getting in. Can you see that tub down there? Yes. Let us take you back. Yes, today is a little bit special because a few weeks ago, or about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I think, I can't remember how long ago it was, I did a video where I kind of sorted out all my seeds and got rid of all my seeds and put a new got a new seed box together and just made sure everything was nice and in order, and all my old seeds, were the out of date ones, were thrown away. I wanted kind of completely a new batch of seeds. I didn't want to be using old seeds and maybe germination happening and maybe not. So I did that video, but while I was going through all those old seeds, you know, and majority of them were like 2017, you know, like sell by date, use by 2018, and even 2019, do you know what I mean? I was getting rid of them all and starting afresh until I came across this little packet of seeds. And the use by date on this is, let me just turn you around, can you just see at the bottom there, December 2010. Yeah, so these are quite old seeds, and what I want to do is see if I can grow 10-year-old seeds and get some carrots for them this winter. Yes, so join me and we'll see if we can grow these seeds. So if we come in to the polytunnel again, I'll just show you, I am growing some carrots for winter. And I've just, you know, these were planted on the 6th, I think they were planted on the 8th, and as you can see, the seeds are just starting to come through there, and it's just spent potato soil, what I used to grow potatoes this year, and I've just got them in tubs, and I can just move them around as well. So I'm hoping I can do something similar with these. And as you see, I mean, I've never even seen that design from Johnson's, you know, it's totally different there now. I don't know if you can see, but that pot over there is a smaller than these tubs, and that's the kind I'm going to use. It's just a plant pot. I've got actually mustard in that one there. So if I just come here, this is the one I'm going to use. And like I say, I'm just going to fill it up with all soil They don't have to be deep because they're just little stubby mushrooms, carrots. And I'll get some of this spent soil again from where I've been tipping it out in there, and we'll get them in there and see if we can grow these. So these are actually Paris Market 5 Atlas. So let's get this label done. So have you grown any seeds that are just totally out of date? Have you tried it? Have you any unusual seeds that you thought they might not come? Right, I'm just going to do the scattergun approach because, like I say, they're just little dinky ones, but I mean it's vacuum sealed almost, you know, in that tin foil bag, so you never know. I'll just put a little bit of this compost on the top just so it's a covering. Right, let's get them in there, get them a little water. So I want them just out of the way so they're not just, you know, they're not getting in the road of other things. So I'm gonna go right at the back of here. There you go. So we'll check back in a few days' time. The question is, did we get any carrots? Let's just go around here and no, not a thing. 10-year-old carrots didn't work at all. So it's got some nice compost there. That's the most. It would have made a nice video, that, wouldn't it? If it had worked. I wouldn't have probably been up here in the pouring rain. Right, look after yourselves. I hope you enjoyed it. Take good care. Apparently it's good for the garden. Oh, get me out of here.